From the Philippines, please welcome Alexandra Ayala.
Well, what an incredible, life-changing fortnight it has been for Alexandra Ayala.
All the sweat and tears paid off for the 20-year-old Alex Ayala, entering the 2025 professional tournament calendar as the world number 147 WTA tennis player. Alex Ayala earned her stripes, capping off her Cinderella season as the world's number 50 ranked knitter, confirmed on November 3, 2025. The Women's Tennis Association WTA released the new rankings based on the players' latest rankings. Based on the players' latest statistical points immediately after the Hong Kong Open, Jiangxi Open, and Guangzhou Open. With the new feat, Ayala made Philippine tennis history once again as the first Filipina to crack the top 50 in WTA rankings.